going? Brian here, Ghetto Fishing Show. Thanks again for tuning in, right? Woohoo! Got a jam-packed show is going to happen this week. I mean, we're going to be fishing in the Paul Mills ponds, right? Paul Mills North and Paul Mills South Pond. And see what we can catch with old brown rubber grubby. I know what you're thinking. Oh, is that all you can use is a brown rubber grubby? Nope. I'm going to try some spinnerbaits, I'm going to try some topwater, see what we can catch. But there are two ponds that I'm going to be fishing this week, and I bet you they're going to be pretty productive. Like, hopefully get some pike, some bass, some, I don't know, crappie, bluegill. There's carp in there, and see what else. Hopefully get some nice perch. Haven't pulled a nice perch out there in a while, so it'd be nice to get one of them. But anyway, I'll show you where I'm going to be fishing. Well, yeah, these are the ponds I'm going to be fishing. The Westminster Ponds, North and South. I know them as Paul Mills Ponds ever since I've been little and grown up fishing over here, right? But I'm going to be taking these tracks, so, you know, give you guys a little bit of a scenic view down the tracks, you know, like it's so beautiful down there, and a lot of people don't know what's there, you know. So, Mr. Weatherman, you going to be coming fishing or what? Mr. Weatherman! But it's gonna be sunny. This is Mr. Hot. Ain't no giving it out. A sticky finger. Mr. Weatherman! The fuck, man? The fuck? Yeah, I'm going fishing, man. I'm watching Ghetto Fishing Show 1 over here. Yeah, man, I'll meet you down the tracks. Well, yeah. I'll see you guys on the way down to Paul Mills Pond and walking through the forest down the tracks. But anyway, you'll see me next Thursday with a smallmouth bass. You better tune in to the Ghetto Fishing Show. News bulletin just in. A member of Al-Qaeda has been spotted in the Westminster East section of the Southdale and Commissioner's Forest. We strongly urge you to call 519-911 if you or someone you know comes into contact, and keep tuned in at 11 o'clock for continuing coverage. It's what my guests don't really give a shit. Yeah. I'll go get Brian. I'll see you next Thursday. So see you. Bye for now. That's the shit. Yeah, it's gone. Well, it's not exactly the brightest of days out, is it? But we'll take them. I tell you what, I fancy fishing overcast anyway. You know what I mean? Like, the cloud cover works better for fishing, I've always found. And fish seem to have, like, more freedom, they think. You know what I mean? I think more freedom. Yeah. But anyway, fucking, we're going to try and get the little tunnel up here. And get out the rain a little bit so you guys don't get wet. So I can set up a little bit, you know. And see what happens, you know. Fucking Mr. Weatherman should be here soon. Brian! Brian! Talk about brown rubber grubbies getting out to set a fucking battle. How about the Weatherman? Fuck, man. Hear that? Was that what I thought it was? It's sparse bullshit. The sparse. Yeah, boys. I think we should hit base. Come back with some fucking grenades tomorrow. What a good time for that, eh? Fucking perfect timing. Let's get the fuck out of here. Good to be back, that's for sure. Yeah, no doubt. Yeah, man, I'm just glad you came to my rescue. Well, we didn't make it down to Pond Mills, but we did make it down to Saunders Pond for a little bit. Oh, there we go. Come here. Oh, yeah. Nice sized bass. Woo! Look at this guy. Woo! Look at the size of that largemouth bass. Woohoo! Saunders Pond, we'll take him. Glad I changed to Mr. 2-inch brown rubber grubby, right? Oh, come on. Woo-wee! 2-inch brown rubber grubby, right? Put him back for later. Here she goes. Now, is that just friggin' crazy or what? I went to Chelsea Green Park for another monster carp. So if you want to be a guest on the Ghetto Fishing Show, just drop me off an email at poolscorpio@hotmail.com. That's about it for this week. But I hope to hear from our future guests and fans out there with any input they want to give us for the show. Guess we're going to end the show off with another theme song. Theme song number 2, I guess we're going to call it. So, bye for now. And I'll see you next Thursday for some Ghetto Fishing Show. It's Ghetto Fishing Show and I like it. Ghetto Fishing Show and I like it. Ghetto Fishing Show and I like it. Yeah. How's that, Mr. Weatherman? Yeah. Oh, come on.